But there are other ways for you to help from right here in OKC. This morning, we're getting brand new updates from nonprofit groups and Claremore City leaders.
Several organizations on the ground alongside first responders, and they have a way for you to help. So KOCO's Audrey Goodson, she joins us from the Red Cross here in Oklahoma City with what's needed right now. Audrey.
That's right. Organizations like the Red Cross are stepping up to help those that have been affected in these areas that were hit by storms over the weekend. They've got volunteers helping out at shelters, helping dozens of people there. They're serving meals and they're providing items to distribute to people. They say they're looking for more volunteers to help with these efforts, and you can also find donations. There's a list on your screen right now of what they need, like water, pet food, and baby supplies. City manager of Claremore posting an update on the city's social media pages saying many people still don't have power.
We have hundreds upon hundreds of poles that are destroyed and damaged. We have hundreds of transformers that are destroyed and or missing. This was a substantial weather event.
For more updates and how you can volunteer, go head over to the As Seen On section of our KOCO app.